हेलो एवरीवन। मैंने वीडियो पहले स्टार्ट कर दी थी और मैंने ये वीडियो कंप्लीट कर ली और उसके बाद पता चला कि रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं हुई। अब वीडियो सारी दोबारा बनानी पड़ेगी, तो मैं अपनी वीडियो को स्टार्ट करती हूँ। विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ बायोग्राफी, मेजर वर्क्स, लिटरेरी कंट्रीब्यूशन, इंपॉर्टेंट क्विटेशन एंड रोमांटिक पोएट्स। आज की पोएट्री हमारे विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ के ऊपर है, तो इसको हम डिस्कस करते हैं। Quotation of the day: Ask yourself if what you are doing today is getting you close to where you want to be tomorrow. अगर आज तुम अपनी लाइफ में जो कुछ कर रहे हो उसको आप देखो और ये देखो कि आप जो कर रहे हो वो आपको कल जहाँ जिस जगह पर आप पहुंचना चाहते हो उस पर पहुंचने में आपकी हेल्प कर रहा है या नहीं कर रहा है। तो आज के वर्क ही आपके फ्यूचर को बनाने वाले हैं। अगर आप गवर्नमेंट जॉब की तैयारी कर रहे हो, अगर आप आज तैयारी कर रहे हो तो इसका मतलब आप गवर्नमेंट जॉब लग जाओगे। तो आज की डेडिकेशन ही आपके फ्यूचर को बनाने वाली है। नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट बायोग्राफी ऑफ विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ। William Wordsworth (1770 to 1850) is one of the most influential poet in English literature, central figure of Romantic movement. He revolutionized English poetry by emphasizing beauty of nature, importance of human emotion, and spiritual connection between humanity and natural world. Through his poetry, Wordsworth transformed ordinary experience into profound reflection of life, memory, imagination, and the human soul. His poetic philosophy marked the departure from artificial style of neoclassical age, established a new literary tradition based on simplicity, sincerity, and emotional expression. मैंने सारे एक्सप्लेन कर दिए थे, लेकिन अब मैं दोबारा रिकॉर्ड कर रही हूँ तो मेरा एक्सप्लेन करने का मन नहीं कर रहा है, तो इसका आप सब खुद समझ लेना। Now we will discuss about the early life and education. William Wordsworth was born on 7th April 1770, Cockermouth, Cumberland, England, situated in picturesque Lake District. The natural beauty of this region deeply influenced his imagination, later become recurring theme in his poetry. Wordsworth experienced personal tragedy during his childhood. His mother died when he was 8-year-old and his father passed away when he was 5 years later. जब वह 8 साल का था तो उनके मदर की डेथ हो गई थी और जब वह 13 साल के हुए तो उनके फादर की डेथ हो गई। Despite this hardship, he continued his education in Hawkshead Grammar School and later attended St. John College, Cambridge University. During his youth, he developed the profound appreciation for nature, which became foundation of poetic visions. His travel through Europe, particularly during the period of French Revolution, also shaped his political philosophical idea. Friendship with Samuel Taylor Coleridge. One of the most significant events in Wordsworth's literary career was his friendship with Samuel Taylor Coleridge. Together, they published Lyrical Palette in 1798, a collection widely regarded as the beginning of the Romantic movement in English literature. While Coleridge focused on supernatural themes, Wordsworth concentrated on ordinary rural life and human emotion. Their collaboration transformed English poetry, introduced a new literary aesthetics. कोलरिज सुपर नेचुरल थीम के ऊपर अपनी पोएट्री को लिखते थे और जो वर्ड्सवर्थ है वो कॉमन लोगों के बारे में अपनी पोएट्री में अपने व्यूज दे रहे हैं देते थे। वर्ड्सवर्थ एंड रोमांटिसिज्म। वर्ड्सवर्थ इज ऑफन कॉल्ड द पोएट ऑफ नेचर किसे कहा गया है तो वर्ड्सवर्थ को कहा गया है बिकॉज ऑफ हिज डीप एडमायरेशन ऑफ नेचुरल वर्ल्ड। हाउएवर द नेचर इन हिज पोएट्री इज मच मोर देन scenic beauty. It is moral teacher, spiritual guide, and the source of emotional healing. Major characteristics of Wordsworth romanticism include celebration of nature, importance of imagination, expression of personal emotion, interest in common people, use of simple language, spiritual connection between humanity and nature, emphasis on memory and childhood experience. Literary theory and preface to lyrical ballad. Wordsworth's preface to lyrical ballad, published in 1800, is considered one of the most important critical documents in English literature. He argues that poetry should be the language of ordinary people rather than artificial poetic diction. According to Wordsworth, poetry originates from genuine emotion and personal experience. His famous definition of poetry is spontaneous overflow, powerful feeling. It takes its origin from emotion recollected in tranquility. This statement became one of the foundational principles of Romantic literary theory. Major works of William Wordsworth: Lyrical Ballad, published in 1798, co-authored with Samuel Taylor Coleridge. This collection initiated Romantic movement in English. The poem focused on rural life, human emotion, nature, common people, imagination. Wordsworth sought to demonstrate that ordinary experience could become worthy subject of poetry. Next important poem is Tintern Abbey, published in 1798. Full title: Lines composed a few miles about Tintern Abbey. The poem is one of Wordsworth's greatest achievements. Major theme: memory, nature as spiritual force, personal growth, relationship between humanity and nature. The poem describes poet's return to beloved landscape after 5 years. He reflects on how nature has influenced his moral spiritual development. Significance: the poem illustrates Wordsworth's belief that nature nurture wisdom, peace, and emotional stability. The Prelude is Wordsworth's autobiographical masterpiece and often regarded as greatest long poem in English literature. Subject matter: the poem traces the growth of poet's mind from childhood to maturity. Major themes: development of imagination, influence of nature, childhood experience, formation of poetic identity. Importance: it presents a detailed exploration of creative process, demonstrating how nature shaped Wordsworth's intellectual and spiritual life. Ode: intimation of immortality from recollection of early childhood. This philosophical poem examines childhood memory, the loss of innocence. Major idea: children possesses a special spiritual vision. The vision gradually fades with age. Memory helps to preserve traces the lost innocence. Significance: the poem explores profound question about human existence, spirituality, and immortality. I wander lonely as a cloud daffodils. This is one of the most famous poem in English literature. The poet's encouraged field of golden daffodils dancing beside a lake. The memory of this scene later brings him to happiness and comfort. Theme: beauty and nature, memory, joy and imagination. Importance: the poem demonstrates Wordsworth's belief that memories of nature can provide lasting emotion and enrichment. इस poem की बहुत ही famous line है: For oft when on my couch I lie in vacant or in pensive mood, they place upon the inward eye, which is the bliss of solitude. Then my heart pleasure feel and dances with the daffodils. ये लाइन मुझे मास्टर्स में याद हुई थी और आज भी याद है. The Solitary Reaper, the poem describe young Scottish girl singing and harvesting grain. एक लड़की कटाई कर रही है, उसके साथ साथ सॉन्ग सुना रही है. ये वर्ड्सवर्थ को बहुत पसंद आता है. Theme: beauty of simple rural life, power of music, imagination, emotion, and experience. The poem highlights Wordsworth's admiration of ordinary people and everyday experience. Michael is a pastoral poem that tells the story of ordinary shepherd and his son. Uh, Theme: family affection, rural values, sacrifice, human sufferings. The poem reflects Wordsworth's deep respect for the lives of common people. The Lucy poem forms a series of lyrical poems centered on mysterious young woman named Lucy. Theme: love, nature, death, isolation. The poems are admired for their emotional intensity and lyrical beauty. Major literary contribution: revival of natural poetry. Wordsworth transformed nature into central subject of poetry, which viewed nature as a living force capable of education and healing humanity. These are the lines you can read these with after pause also. Now I will discuss about important quotation. Poetry is spontaneous overflow, powerful feeling. It takes its origin from emotion recollected in tranquility. ये उनकी डेफिनेशन है जो उन्होंने पोएम के बारे में बोली है. नेक्स्ट इंपोर्टेंट पोएम इज फ्रॉम ऑन नेचर. कम फोर्थ इनटू द लाइट ऑफ थिंग्स, लेट नेचर बी योर चाइल्ड. नोट्स बना लेना. नेक्स्ट लाइन इज फ्रॉम टिंटन एबी. नेचर नेवर बिट्रे द हार्ट दैट लव्ड हर. नेचर उन्हें कभी भी धोखा नहीं देते जो उसे प्यार करता है. Next is from daffodils, a host of golden daffodils from ode to immortality. Intimation of immortality. Child is father of man. Child is father of man किस में से है? Ode to immortality में से है, तो ये याद करना होगा. On simplicity and wisdom. On simplicity and wisdom में से क्या है? To begin. On human relationship, the best portion of a good man's life, his little nameless remembrance, a act of kindness and of love. Honor and recognition. Wordsworth's literary reputation continued to grow through his life. In 1843 he was appointed poet laureate. तो poet laureate कब बने थे वो? 1843 में बने थे. Of England, highest official honor for British poet. His work remain essential part of academic curricula of worldwide and continue to inspire reader with their celebration of nature, imagination and human emotion. Now I reached at conclusion. मैंने ये इसके बारे में एक्सप्लेन पहले कर दिया था, उस टाइम वीडियो नहीं बनी. मैं सारी दोबारा बना रही, तो थोड़ा सा मैं इसको जल्दी जल्दी करवा रही हूँ. तो इसका रीजन ये है कि मैं इसको दोबारा बना रही हूँ, तो मैंने इसको जल्दी कंटिन्यू कर दिया. आप इसको खुद समझ लेना और समझ में आए तो और भी अच्छा. Now I reached at conclusion. William Wordsworth occupied a unique position in English literature as a leading poet of Romantic age. Through his innovative poetic theory, masterful works, he transformed the course of English poetry. His exploration of nature, memory, childhood, human emotion established new possibility for literary expression. More than 2 centuries after his death, Wordsworth's poetry continued to resonate with readers because of the universal theme and enduring spiritual insight. तो इस तरह से हमने जो आज की वीडियो है इसको कंप्लीट कर लिया है। अगर आपने अब तक इस वीडियो को देखा है तो थैंक यू। इसमें हमने वर्ड्सवर्थ की बायोग्राफी, उनके इम्पोर्टेंट पोएम्स, उनकी क्विटेशन और उनके बायोग्राफी को डिस्कस किया है। अगर आपको समझ में आई है तो बहुत अच्छा है। मैं आगे भी लिटरेचर से रिलेटेड और भी वीडियोज बनाती रहूंगी। थैंक यू।